Hi everybody, welcome to Two Drinks Sweet Taggy. So I'm going to be making a Bourbon Smash Holiday cocktail today. And what goes in there is going to be some blueberries, lemon, some Kentucky bourbon, and some cinnamon. And it's going to be tasty. I'm excited to teach you guys how to make this and also, give my friend Zach a sip of this drink. So to start off, you want to put some blueberries into a mixing cup or a shaker, and you would also add a few lemon wedges, let's say maybe 2 or 3, and then you're gonna muddle all of that fruit in there to get all the juices out. Don't be afraid to go crazy with it, just like muddle the heck out of it. Okay, you fill that cup with some ice. And what you want to do is shake all that to get it chilled. So you do that for like 15 to 20 seconds. And then you get a lowball glass, fill that up with some ice. You then get a shot of, a double shot of some Kentucky bourbon whiskey. Well, it doesn't have to be specifically that, just some bourbon in there. And then you strain all the juices that you just got from this into there. And finally, you top it up with some club soda. And for garnish, you want to add your blueberries. Oops. Some blueberries and a lemon wedge in there. And finally, a cinnamon stick. And there you go. There you have it, the Bourbon Holiday Cocktail Smash. All right, can you hands it? I fucked up.